How to draw a line with a specific angle. Welcome back to Sonic Tech. This video will teach you how to draw a line with a specific angle in AutoCAD. Click the Home tab. Draw panel. Then line command. Or you can just type L in the command line, then click Enter. Specify the start point. To specify the angle, do one of the following. Enter the left angle bracket, then the angle, for example, left angle bracket, 45, and move the cursor to indicate the direction. The second way, enter polar coordinates, for example, 2.5, left angle bracket, 45. The third way, press F8 to turn on ortho to lock the angle to horizontal and vertical directions. You can also press Shift when specifying the next point for a horizontal or vertical direction. Finally, press F10 to turn on polar tracking. You might need to use the drafting settings command, Polar Tracking tab, to specify additional polar angles and choose the option to track all polar angle settings. Move the cursor to indicate an approximate angle. To specify the length, do one of the following. Click a point to specify the endpoint. Or enter the length of the line, for example, 2.5, then press the spacebar or Enter.